Hello! This was our gig last Wednesday at 12 Monkeys, Estancia Mall, Capital Commons. Meron tayong 300 peso door charge on Wednesday night. So maaga pa. Picture muna, Artie. Hello to our friends, President Alvin and Jessa. This was my partner in crime that night, Miko aka Romulus. Dinner muna, snacks. Bench fixing his drums, parang bisor dyan si PA Jerome. So, sa first set, magsa-soundcheck. First song si Chin. President Alvin and keyboardist Jen. Now, the Bahala sisters are on stage, Juliet and Ethel. Meron tayong short break kasi 2 sets tayo dyan. At nakadalawang more tayo that night. Patapos na ang ating gig. So, chill, tambay muna while Jerome and Kuya Rodel are packing up. Chika, relax. Meron lang mga nagpa-picture bago tayo umalis. So this is the gang. Thank you very much guys. Sana nag-enjoy kayo. Meron lang humabol sa parking at may nagutom kaya nag-subway muna kami. Bye!